Good morning. For those that are turning 65, you may want to ask when you can file for Medicare coverage. For application for Medicare, you can start applying through the Social Security website, which is the www.ssa.gov, that is GOV. You can apply for Medicare 3 months prior to your birth month, you turn 65, or 3 months after you turn 65. So making sure you take that time frame that you apply for Medicare. If you're still working and want to defer your Medicare coverage, absolutely you can. But your Part A, if you have been contributing to your Social Security and your Medicare contribution, your Part A is automatically given to you because you are eligible on your Part A, which is the hospital, the moment you turn 65. But your Part B, you have an option to defer that until you completely retire. So there's two ways you can do. You can still be with your employer coverage, but you have to look if your employer health insurance coverage, if you're paying premium and it's only you are covering yourself, then you may look into starting your Medicare Part B, because there are plans that will provide you zero premium, and of course nothing really is for free, but you need a licensed financial professional like myself to explain to you and discuss with you the different plan option that will be beneficial for you. And for more information, I'll be happy to book an appointment with you. And please, there's a bottom down below say book an appointment. Click that, and I look forward to get back to you. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day.